Every day, millions of drivers rely on navigation apps that were designed for one thing: getting you somewhere fast. But speed is not the whole story. Real roads are messy. They have blind corners, slippery lanes, construction zones, narrow streets, unpredictable weather, and hidden risks that your navigation app never tells you about. This is the gap we saw, and this is the gap NavX is built to solve. Welcome to the next generation navigation system, built for safer, smoother, and personalized driving.
Damn, I don't like this road. I don't like this map because it always shows me not safe, not easy, not fastest roads. I'm really tired of this. I don't want to use it anymore. That's insane.
Hey Xenia, have you checked new navigation app? It's called NavX. I think you will like it.
So as you can see, there's 3 modes: fast, scenic, and comfort. And it's also weather adaptive.
Wow, it's cool. I like it.
Yeah, let's use NavX. See the road, feel the mode.
NavX is not just a navigation app. It's an intelligent copilot that understands the driver, the road, and the situation.
Our goal is simple here. We help the people not to just to reach their destination, but we help them to reach safely, comfortably, and confidently.
NavX improves navigation by finding the roads that balance the speed, safety, comfort for a better driving experience.
Because the best road is not the fastest, it's the one that matches your needs.
While traditional apps focus on distance and time, NavX evaluates safety, comfort, road quality, weather, and traffic hazards, and lets you choose between fast, comfort, and scenic modes instantly.
NavX predicts problems before you read them using sensor data, weather condition, road quality, and historical accident information. Then adjust your route proactively.
NavX learns from you, your driving style, your preferences, and your patterns. So every road feels tailored and aligned with how you want to drive.
So, whether you are a family driver looking for safety, commuter avoiding the stress, or professional fleet operator trying to minimize risk, NavX gives you more than direction, it gives you control.
Because at the end of the day, the road is not where you're going, it's about how you get there.
You should choose NavX because driving is personal and your road should be too.
NavX. See the road, feel the mode.
Hello, this is team number 3. Welcome to our final presentation. We're gonna go through the table of contents. We'll begin with the project overview, followed by the product development and prototype design. Then we will explain the technology and process behind our product, and of course, market research findings. Then we will cover the business model and operations. After that, we will outline our market research and intellectual property management. Then we will conclude with the key insights and provide you with the references.
We chose this topic because we saw a clear and serious gap in the navigation industry. Navigation apps today are extremely advanced in mapping and traffic predictions, but they all share one limitation. They optimize for only one thing: speed. No matter what app you use, Google Maps, Waze, Apple Maps, and others, they all focus almost entirely on the fastest road. But in real life, drivers care much more about than just the speed. They care about safety, comfort, stress levels, road conditions, weather, and personal driving styles. None of the major systems address these needs directly. Drivers often experience something we all know. The fastest road is not always the best road. Sometimes the fastest road takes you through narrow roads, steep turns, bumpy surfaces, dangerous intersections, or areas with poor visibility. Sometimes you're driving with a child, or you're tired, or it's raining, and the fastest road becomes the most stressful one. Delivery companies and professional drivers face the same issue. Time matters, but so do the fuel efficiency, safety, or predictability. Accidents, delays, and unnecessary stress all cost money. So, although navigation technology has evolved, the decision-making logic behind it hasn't changed for years.
NavX is an AI-powered vehicle auto-road navigator, a system designed to make roads not only fast, but smart, safe, and adaptive. It combines three major capabilities. First one, NavX uses AI-powered road selection to evaluate multiple paths simultaneously, based on time, risk, comfort, and predicting hazards. Second, it performs real-time road analysis by instantly reacting to traffic, weather, and changing road conditions. Third, NavX adapts its routing style to the user through the dynamic profiles that prioritize comfort, security, and efficiency. So what makes NavX truly stand out is a set of innovations engineered for real-world intelligence. At its core, we use multiple criteria AI routing, allowing NavX to analyze every possible path through the lenses of safety, comfort, and efficiency. We combine this with predictive danger detection, so the system doesn't just react to the hazards, but it anticipates them. And with user adaptive road profiles, NavX adjusts its behavior to match the driver or mission, giving every trip a personalized navigation style. And the result is exactly modern mobility needs. Safer, smoother trips with fewer surprises, along the way higher efficiency and lower operational costs. And businesses and the simple, easy to integrate interface that works seamlessly across both vehicles and robotics platforms. In short, NavX delivers intelligence where it matters most.
For our prototype, we worked on both 2D design and 3D physical model to test our ideas. For the 2D design, we created clean UI wireframes showing the map, road options, and safety and comfort scores. Real-time hazard alerts also included. We focused on making the interface really simple and easy for any driver to understand and use. For the 3D prototype, we also used the Turtlebot to equip it with a LiDAR scanner and IMU sensor, and also Raspberry Pi under the hood running on ROS 2. This setup allowed us to test how NavX reacts to different road conditions, obstacles, and road changes in a physical environment. Overall, the prototype helped us to validate our own logic, test real-time updates, and see how our actual system performs outside of the simulation. It also gave us valuable feedback for improving our design and algorithms. Now let's take a look at the technological side behind the NavX and how actually system performs under the hood. Our platform uses a combination of hardware, software, and cloud tools to create a smart and responsive navigation system. On the hardware side, our Turtlebot uses LiDAR sensor to detect the obstacles and IMU to measure vibrations and the road smoothness. These sensors help us to calculate the risk, comfort, and score each road in terms of mathematical things. We use also ROS 2 as a main framework. ROS 2 helps us to coordinate all the modules, data collection, road scoring, the AI-powered path planner, and the dynamic replanning system. For routing engine, we developed multi-criteria AI-powered algorithm. Instead of focusing only one time, our algorithm also considers how road actually had the risk, comfort level, scenic value. Now guys, let's take a look at the technology behind the NavX and how system actually works under the hood. Our platform uses a combination of hardware, software, and cloud tools to create smart and responsive navigation system. On the hardware side, our Turtlebot uses LiDAR to detect the obstacles and IMU to measure the vibrations and the road conditions. And these sensors also help us to calculate the risk and comfort to score for each road. In terms of software, we use ROS 2 as our main framework. ROS 2 helps us to coordinate all the modules like data collection, road scoring, the AI-powered path planner, and the dynamic replanning system. For the routing engine, we developed a multi-criteria AI-powered algorithm. Instead of focusing only one criteria, which is time, our algorithm also considers the road risk, comfort level, scenic value. This allows NavX to choose the safer, smoother roads. For the interface, we built a web dashboard using Fast API and the WebSockets, along with the map view where users can actually see their road safety scores, and real-time changes. And finally, the whole process works like this. First of all, NavX collects the data, scores each road segment, runs a power planner, chooses the best road, and updates it when new hazard appears. This modular setup makes the NavX flexible, scalable, and ready for the future integration with the smart mobility systems.
Our main users are professional drivers, delivery drivers, taxi drivers, and rideshare drivers, couriers, and freight operators. Most of them are between 20 to 40 years old, and they actively use digital tools for navigation. They need routes that are not just fast, but also safe, predictable, and comfortable. For our bridgehead market, we focused on around 9 million professional drivers across the United States, South Korea, and Central Asia. These regions have high demand for smarter routing due to heavy traffic, growing e-commerce, and increasing delivery volume. And beyond that, the total addressable market includes all global commercial and fleet drivers, which continues to expand with the rise of online shopping and urban congestion. Our typical user is tech savvy, time sensitive, and open to paying for navigation that improves daily driving. For fleets, the decision makers are fleet managers, logistics supervisors, and company owners who prioritize efficiency, safety, and lower fuel costs. Competitors and competitive advantage. So our competitors include Samsara, Trimble Maps, Routific, and Google Maps and Apple Maps and Waze. However, most of these tools either focus only on speed or are too expensive for small fleets. NavX stands out by combining predictive AI routing, multi-criteria scoring, time, risk, comfort, scenery, dynamic real-time replanning, and regional customization. Especially for Central Asia, this gives us a unique space between simple free apps and costly enterprise telematics systems.
Our business model is centered on a subscription-based service that provides continuous, evolving value to our users. We have two primary customer segments: individual professional drivers and commercial fleets. For the individual driver, we've structured our pricing to be accessible while scaling with their professional needs. We start with a freemium tier, which offers standard high-quality navigation at no cost. This acts as our funnel, letting every driver experience the basic NavX quality. But for the professional who relies on superior routing, we offer two premium tiers: the Pro Driver subscription, priced affordably between $20 to $25 per month, which gives them access to essential features like our real-time traffic prediction and multi-criteria routing, thus prioritizing safety over simple speed. The premium tier is $30 to $40, unlocks the full suite of predictive analytics, advanced personalization, and specialized features tailored for high-mileage users. Our most significant opportunity for scale lies with fleet pricing. This model is designed to reward volume, the cost per vehicle decreasing as the fleet size grows. For smaller fleets, up to 20 vehicles, the cost is in the $25 to $45 range. For mid-size, this drops to $18 to $30 per vehicle, making NavX an incredibly cost-effective solution for large-scale logistics. And for fleets over 100, we move into customized enterprise contracts. Ultimately, our revenue is generated through these subscriptions, but we are also building long-term value through selling aggregated driver analytics to partner and, crucially, through future OEM partnerships to pre-install NavX directly into new vehicles.
Now, let's go over our operations, which will explain how NavX will be delivered, tested, supported, and maintained. Firstly, distribution. We plan to distribute NavX through both a mobile app and web application. This makes the system accessible for everyone, from individual drivers who only need to the app to fleet managers who prefer a larger dashboard with analytics. Having both platforms also helps us reach a wider market faster. Secondly, logistics. For logistics, our goal is to give early access to the people who will benefit the most. We will provide demo accounts to the driving schools, car dealerships, and delivery companies. This allows them to try NavX in real driving situations and understand how our routing improves safety and comfort. Demo access also helps us collect real feedback from actual users, which is extremely valuable for future improvements. Thirdly, manufacturing and prototype development. On the hardware side, we built a TurtleBot-based demo unit with ROS2 LiDAR and EMU This prototype is not meant for mass production, but it is essential for testing. It allows us to verify how our algorithms react to the obstacles, road changes, and different driving scenarios. It also helps us demonstrate NavX to partners and professors in a tangible way. Lastly, post-sale support. Finally, strong post-sale support ensures long-term success. We plan to provide regular software updates to improve speed, safety, scoring, and using experience. Technical support for drivers and fleets. A feedback-driven upgrade system where user suggestions help shape new features. This ensures that NavX continues to improve even after a launch, keeping it competitive and valuable for our users.
We designed our marketing around three main pillars: digital awareness, industry engagement, and community and retention. Our first pillar is digital awareness. Since our target users, drivers, are aged 20 to 40, spend a lot of time online, we'll focus on platforms like Instagram, YouTube Shorts, and TikTok. We'll post short demo videos showing how NavX finds safer and smoother roads compared to regular navigation apps. These videos will highlight features like the safety score, comfort mode, and real-time hazard alerts. This helps us reach people quickly and attract early users who already rely on digital navigation tools. Our second pillar is industry engagement. We want to present in places where drivers and decision makers actually are, such as driving schools and mobility AI events. At these events, we can show our prototype, give live demos, and build partnerships with driving related businesses. We'll also offer 3 months free trials and driving schools, dealerships, and delivery companies so they can try NavX and experience the benefits before subscribing. Our last pillar is community and retention. We don't just want people to try NavX, we want them to stay. We're creating NavX points and reward system for safe driving, frequent app use, and referrals. We'll also build an in-app community where drivers can share routes, ask questions, and exchange tips. To increase trust, we'll encourage user-generated content like my safest road today or before and after using NavX. This helps us grow naturally and build a loyal user base.
Now I will explain our intellectual property strategy, which protects the unique parts of NavX. First, we have several things that are patentable. Our biggest innovation is the multi-criteria A routing algorithm. We choose routes based on time, safety, comfort, and scenery. We also have our custom scoring system and dynamic replanning logic, which helps NavX update the roads when conditions change. Next, we protect our branding through trademarks. This includes NavX's name, logo, and our visual identity, basically anything that helps users to recognize our product. We also protect icons and slogans we use in the app and marketing. Finally, we protect all our designs and codes through copyright. This includes UI, UX layouts, map, styling, interface, graphics, wireframes, and all the original code written our team. Overall, IP is important because it prevents others from copying our ideas, keep our brand unique, and give us strong competitive advantage as we grow.
To conclude, NavX is built to make navigation safer, smarter, and more personalized than what we have today. Instead of only choosing the fastest road, our system uses AI and multi-criteria routing to consider safety, comfort, traffic, and real-time hazards. We see strong demand from professional drivers and fleets, and our prototype shows that our idea works both in simulation and in real-time world testing. NavX's strengths like predicting routing, comfort scoring, and regional customization give us a clear advantage over existing navigation apps. Then our next steps are to refine the algorithm, expand user testing, and begin pilot programs with driving schools and delivery companies. Thank you for listening. We are happy to answer your questions. Thank you.